In only a few weeks, the iPhone 17 series will be released, and leaks are revealing a striking new image of what to expect. The iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max are the four models that Apple is anticipated to introduce this year. And for once, it's the colors rather than the specs that draw attention. With a bright new orange finish, the Pro models are going all out, departing from Apple's typically subdued color scheme. Expect high-end colors like black, dark blue, silver, and white to go with it. Of course, Apple will give them more imaginative names. Consider midnight blue or sunburst orange. In the meantime, the basic iPhone 17 will be available in slightly altered green and purple hues from the previous year's selection. Refined but subtle. The iPhone 17 Air, a brand new model, is possibly the biggest surprise. It aims to have a more subtle appearance and is intended to be Apple's slimmest iPhone ever. Soft hues of black, silver, gold, and a faint blue-gray are depicted in leaked photos. More subtlety, less dazzle. There will soon be significant design modifications that go beyond aesthetics, particularly for the Pro variants. The hump in the camera? It is distinctly larger. It's not merely for show, though. A potent 48MP telephoto lens with an 8x optical zoom is suggested by leaks. As a result, Apple faces off against the top products from Xiaomi and Samsung. This might alter everything for you if you care about photography. Still, a lot of people care about more than just appearances or cameras. According to a recent survey, battery life and performance are still top concerns. If Apple succeeds in those areas as well, the iPhone 17 will be a complete upgrade rather than merely a visual update. So, should you hold off? This could be the ideal moment to wait if you're considering getting a new iPhone. The iPhone 17 lineup appears to have something for everyone, regardless of your preference for striking new colors, streamlined designs, or strong zoom capabilities. Early September is when the official reveal is anticipated. Additionally, this might be the most exciting iPhone launch in years if these leaks turn out to be true. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.